Yung pong mga sundalo ng Amerikano na dinideploy doon sa Mindanao ay napabilang po ito sa Special Operations Command. Hindi lang naman po yung community relations assistance projects yung ginagawa nila dito. Hindi naman po sila magdi-deploy dito nang hindi sila combat ready.
In a recent press conference, Lieutenant Senior Grade Nancy Gadian confirmed allegations of Bayan and the Junk VFA movement regarding the participation of U.S. troops in actual combat operations in the country. Lieutenant Gadian was the Philippine Navy officer who disclosed the corruption by ranking Philippine Army officials of the funds for the RPUS Balikatan joint military exercises. Another alarming revelation of Lieutenant Gadian is the U.S. military's setting up of permanent structures within Philippine Army camps in Mindanao.
Permanent structures. Nandun po kasi nakita ko and I happened to visit these areas. Hindi lang po ako ang nagtatanong sa kanilang continued presence dito sa bansa, particularly dun sa island of Mindanao. Yung kadalasan po na nagtatanong is mga nasa lower ranks, rank and files, the officers, mga junior officers.
Under the Constitution, after the expiration ng Military Base Agreement ng 1991, i-reject ng Senate yung renewal ng Military Base Agreement. Ang sinasabi ng 1987 Constitution natin, di na pwede silang manatili dito. Walang treaty na nagsasabi na dapat may continuous presence sila dito sa Pilipinas. Hindi nila ma-justify yan under the Visiting Force Agreement.
Lieutenant Gadian pointed out that even after 7 years of the Balikatan joint military exercises and the continued U.S. military presence in the island, the peace and order problem in Mindanao remains.
Yung mga problema po sa Mindanao, kagaya ng sinasabing assistance programs na ginagawa ng US, kaya naman pong tugunan niya ng national government, even without the presence of the US in our country.
Another issue that was raised by Lieutenant Gadian is the prostitution of women in areas where U.S. troops stay and the treatment of Filipino soldiers by their counterparts. In support of Lieutenant Gadian, Gabriela Representative Lisa Masa encouraged her to speak at a congressional hearing.
Maraming aspeto na kailangan talagang tingnan. Mukhang na-affirm na mayroong direct participation yung US troops doon sa mga combat operations. Because, correct me if I'm wrong, yung sinasabi mo kanina na mismong yung participation doon sa intelligence is part of combat operation. Pagkatapos, itatanong ko rin kung willing ka ba na humarap doon sa Kongreso pagka nagkaroon na ng pag-iimbestiga at sabihin mo itong mga sinabi mo ngayon.
Opo, ma'am. Sa akin po, it is a strong conviction ko po na talagang encroachment na to sa ating sovereignty. Naging avenue of corruption yung yung Balikatan exercises na sinasabi na under the umbrella of BFA. So ano mang dapat gawin dito, i-junk na lang yung BFA para wala nang exercise at hindi na nila ma-justify yung kanilang stint dito sa Philippines.
In the Philippines, this is Kodao Productions.